Hi guys, I'm Rashi from Doggy Dabbas and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to do something super special for our 10th birthday. We're turning 10 this month and you guys have been so supportive over the years. I thought of doing something fun and cute and teaching you how to make a special birthday cake for your pooches at home. It's simple, it's easy, it's healthy and it's super delicious. All you're gonna need is 1 cup wheat and gluten-free flour. Make sure you choose something with no xanthium gum. 300 ml of homemade yogurt, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons olive oil, 4 teaspoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of dried parsley, 100 grams of our training treats ground to dust, and 250 ml of water. Let's start with mixing all of our wet ingredients together. First add the curd, next the honey, then your egg, your oil, and whisk well. So we're whisked and this is going to be your consistency. Now let's add all of the dry ingredients one by one. We'll start with the dried parsley and then the 100 grams of our training treat dust. And finally, the flour. At this stage, we're also going to add the water and whisk lightly. So there you go. It's got a little thick cake batter like consistency and we're ready to pop this into our mold. I'm using a little silicone bone shaped mold that I have at home. I find that silicone molds work better because we don't use butter in these kind of cakes, so it's not going to stick. So if you can find a silicone one, try and use that. It doesn't have to be bone shaped, any shape is fine. So place your mold on the oven tray and using a spatula, just empty the contents directly into your mold. Tap to get rid of any air bubbles. Now you're going to pop this in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for at least an hour or till a knife comes out clean. So it could take you about 45 minutes to an hour depending on how strong your oven is or how small it is. Our cake is out of the oven and it's nice and cool. Let it cool to a complete room temperature before you can start your frosting. So our cake smells super yummy and it looks chocolatey too. That's because of the liver and high value training treat. You can use any of our treats to make this, even fish furky, chicken jerky, blueberry chicken jerky or even cranberry chicken jerky. For the frosting, you're going to need some hung yogurt. You're going to need to hang this yogurt for at least a couple of hours, maybe around 4 hours depending on the water content in your yogurt to make it nice and thick. You're also going to need a few teaspoons of honey, some lovely little candles for some fun, and of course some little Treatos to decorate your cake. So add your honey into your yogurt and just use a whisk to whisk it out. And whip it till it's a nice thick consistency. Now for the fun part. Start scooping your frosting onto the top. I like a nice thick layer of frosting for myself and so hence for my dogs. Using a spatula, just lightly spread it across. If you don't have a spatula, you can just use a butter knife that you may have at home. Let's decorate with some of our Treatos. I'm going to do a mix of our training treats since I've used that in the base as well. We're done. Our super yummy cake is ready. One disclaimer though, make sure you remove any and all candles before giving it to your dog. Let's get doobie bro and celebrate. That's all for today guys. I hope you enjoyed. Do like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to tag us in your birthday cake videos. See you next time.